Welcome to Parks Pursuit. Today I'm at New Mexico's Bandelier National Monument. If you haven't already, think about subscribing to my channel. Today I'm hiking the 1 mile Pueblo Loop Trail along with the half-mile Alcove House Spur Trail. I'll put a link to the trail info in the description box below. This trail is located in Frijoles Canyon and contains a number of ancestral Puebloan homes, Kivas, Petroglyphs, and geologic diversity. Longhouse is 100 yards of rock face which still features the remains of stone structures that line the face and provided access to the Cavates above. Longhouse also features numerous petroglyphs dating from 1150 to 1600 AD. A 140-foot climb, spread over 4 ladders, will take you to Alcove House, a cave that features stunning overlooks and a ceremonial Kiva. These are the remains of a larger Kiva, an important ancestral Puebloan shared structure for social activities and ceremonies. This is a reconstruction of a Talus House. Such structures would have been found in front of many of the Cavates. Along the trail, several ladders offer the chance to climb into Cavates, human-excavated openings in the rock face. If you enjoyed this video of my hike of the Pueblo Loop Trail, hit the like button and think about subscribing to my channel, Parks Pursuit. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.